The importance of saving water is a responsibility that we all have, because there's only one planet, we all live on the same planet, and there's a finite amount of water and energy on the planet, so we have to use it responsibly. As the third world develops, their needs for more water and more energy are increasing. So we all have to be responsible and aware of the fact that there is a finite amount and we have to use it responsibly. We work with an organisation called Waterwise, whose focus is to create awareness within the communities, within industry, for water conservation. We attend their conferences, we exhibit at their conference. Our products have been awarded the Waterwise mark, which means they have been tested and they've been proven to make the water savings that we claim.
In the UK, we've got quite a lot of variation in water pressure. And you know this, it can be from house to house, or it can be in your own house. Suddenly you turn on the kitchen tap and it sprays all over you and you're covered in water. What people like Tandrup manufacture, very, very clever water regulators. Now, basically, it just looks like a little tiny washer in different colours. But within that, there's a small rubber ring that expands depending on how much pressure there is behind it. So if you've got a pipe with very high pressure, it squashes this rubber ring flatter, and that blocks the holes up, so it reduces the amount of water coming through the pipe. If your pressure drops, there's less squashiness on the rubber, so more water comes out. What Tandrup does is, just by putting in this simple regulator, simple to fit as a washer, you can stop these high flows. You can optimize your systems, and you can do this on your kitchen tap, on your sink taps, on your sort of bathroom taps. Very, very simple but clever technology that stops water wastage. It doesn't stop use, it doesn't restrict you from using water, it just stops that very, very high flow. And we've been sort of working with Tandrup and other sort of manufacturers of regulators and things for quite a while. And we think that this is one of those perfect examples of where technology can help people reduce waste really simply.
Within our product range, the Intelligent Water Saving System, we offer a range of ratings, flow ratings, depending on the actual component, the actual device, and where it has to be fitted. For example, on the sink tap adapter aerator, we would suggest 8 litres, because in a sink you have to fill a sink for washing. You normally need more water in a sink than you would a basin. For a basin tap, we would suggest 4 litres, because for basin taps, generally you would only use it for either washing your hands, washing your face, or cleaning your teeth. So you don't need a huge flow of water. For showers, we would recommend either 6 or 8 litres, because obviously in a shower you do need a greater flow of water than you would on a basin tap. The retail cost of this is somewhere around £6. So for a very low cost, very easy fit, you can save yourself a considerable amount of money in a very short space of time. I'll give you an example of how easy it is to fit these products. All you simply do is to remove the old aerator from your tap, just unthread it, and thread the new one, and it's very simple. Just thread it hand tight, because there's a washer on the end which will seal. That's all you simply need to do. You don't need any spanners or a wrench or anything, no tools, simply hand done. And with this model, you have the advantage of being able to the swivel on, which is quite useful within the kitchen. As for the basin taps, you don't need to use as much water as you would on the kitchen, because basin taps basically are used for hand washing or for cleaning teeth. So you only need 4 litre a minute flow, as opposed to 8 litres in the kitchen. So you're saving up to 70% of your water and energy use in the bathroom. So for the showers, we have several items. The main item is what we call the shower adapter. This is a chrome-plated brass component in which we fit the flow restrictor. Now this is the flow restrictor, very small item, but very special design. It's made from a very special anti-limescale plastic. This is the component that's actually reducing the flow of water. So that is fitted into this housing. Now this housing you would screw onto the actual shower mixer on one end, and on the other end you would thread it onto your shower hose. So it's very simple. Again, you don't need any tools, no spanners, no wrenches. It's all hand done. So that end would fit onto the shower, and then your shower handset would be on the other end of the hose. So that's what's doing the job. So that is reducing your water flow from an average of 16 litres a minute on a shower down to 6 or 8 litres. So you would save at least 50% of your current water usage and energy usage on the shower. It doesn't reduce the force of the shower in any way, because the mixing with the air, that creates the same volume that you would get with a greater volume of water. Here I want to show you how easy it is to replace your old handset with the Hydroline, which is the Venturi, the air and water mix, water saving handset. All you simply do is to unscrew the old handset, and screw on the new handset. No special tools required, very simple. Now this handset is designed to restrict the water to a maximum of 6 litres per minute. The average shower, unrestricted, will produce something in the order of 16 litres a minute. So you can be saving up to 70% of your water usage by using this handset, but without any reduction in comfort in use. Because of the special way that this handset is designed, when the water starts flowing through the handset, air is sucked in through this chamber, and the air is then mixed with the water, and it creates a soft spray, and it expands the water, so it gives you the feeling of an unrestricted shower, but actually saving you 70% of water use and of course energy use. This is an unregulated flow of water. There's approximately 16 litres of water flowing through there, which is a huge amount of water. So there's a lot of water use and also a lot of energy use. Now let me demonstrate the flow of water with our special shower adapter. All you simply do is to unscrew the hose, thread the adapter onto the shower, and then reconnect the hose to the adapter. No special tools needed, you simply do it by hand. That's 6 litres a minute. As you can see, it's still a full shower, very pleasant, very comfortable shower. No reduction in comfort, but up to 70% saving in water and energy. The energy use in the home for heating water is somewhere in the order of 30%. So if you can significantly reduce your water consumption, you will significantly reduce your energy consumption. Less than 40% of UK homes are metered, whereas in mainland Europe, over 90% of homes are metered. So there's been less of an incentive for water saving in the UK. The current water usage in the UK is 150 litres per person per day. Waterwise and the water boards have set targets to reduce that figure down to 125 litres a day, which is the usage in mainland Europe. So we have an even greater responsibility than they have to reduce water consumption. Our aim is to create a greater awareness of water and energy conservation by making our products more aware in the marketplace, promoting our products more in the marketplace, promoting our products through the water boards and organisations like Waterwise.